Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's do the analysis for today's Bank Nifty, that is 19th of May 2023. So initially again we saw a gap up in the morning, but that gap up was not the gap up which we needed for Bank Nifty to go all time high. The upper shadows indicates pullback, but the candles formation was like doji, which indicates that there is a strong resistance in the upper side for the Bank Nifty to go. In a result, we saw a downside rally of somewhere around 3 to 250 to 300 points. Bank Nifty started well, and within 20 minutes it started falling, and it went up to the support one level, and beyond that 43531 was the mark for today's low. Then again, Bank Nifty stayed within the range of 43800, which was the crucial level, and 43600, the levels which I suggested yesterday. So Bank Nifty throughout the day remained the same, and there was no movement till 145. It was in the trajectory of 43800 and 43600, but after 145 you can see a good rally towards the yesterday's opening, that is 4400, and there was a good move of around 400 points in the end, not in the end, in the last one and a half hours. So this was the overall analysis for Bank Nifty and the performance. Now we have the weekend and the market will remain closed for these 2 days. Then what will be the strategy for Monday? Again, Bank Nifty showed that Bank Nifty is capable of achieving the all-time high. There was a lot of buying went in the end, and it indicates that people are going long and carrying their trades for the Monday. As of now, the indication is pretty much uh, in green from the global markets, as well as from the SGX Nifty. So there are slightly less chances that Bank Nifty will open on the downside on Monday. In the weekend, if at all any news comes which can affect Bank Nifty, then I'll definitely inform you all about that. But as of now, Bank Nifty looks strong, and Bank Nifty is trading within the levels which I suggested. And for Monday, if there is a gap up, then definitely the next gap up will be all-time high. And once it goes above all-time high, then the real targets for the next week, which is the last I think a week for the Bank Nifty is expiry. So the targets will be till 44,500 for next week, if there is a upside moment. And for the downside, again, as you can see, there was a situation from the past 2-3 days that Bank Nifty is going towards downside, but regain the momentum and continue to trend high. So today's necklace formation is pretty much clear that Bank Nifty is ready to go all-time high. If at all there is a gap down, then again the levels which were crucial for us are 43,800, 600, 500, 300, and beyond that 43 is the last level. So I'm hoping this will not happen, and if at all there is a flat opening, then the range bound session will be between 44 and 43,800. So this is the analysis for today's and prediction and suggestion for Monday. And let's enjoy the weekend, and we'll get ready to witness some great actions in the Bank Nifty sector from tomorrow or from Monday. So till then, keep liking, keep sharing my videos, and subscribe me if you have not done so, and also ask your friends, families to subscribe my channel and get the latest updates related to bank and Bank Nifty. Thank you so much. Good night.